Hey everybody, this is Tripp of Tripp on Two Wheels. Today I thought I would come and check out a friend who is practicing at a motocross track about 80 miles away from where I live. I love watching motocross. I actually used to ride a couple of years when I was 13 and 14. I really enjoyed it. It was never all that good. I was okay, but never that great. I could come in the top two in heats, but in finals, I'd always get smoked. As a friend of mine once told me, I was born with the fear gene. It's been a while, though. Here we go. Murphy's Motocross. Interesting place. Nice little pile of rocks there. Another pile of rocks. Oh, and there's what they piled them up with, I guess. All right, what do we have here? Murphy's Motocross. Ride at your own risk. I got two tracks here. One to the left, which is a beginner's track, and then a bigger track over here to my right, where the intermediate and the expert riders or professional riders ride. Not used to riding on these gravel roads with the Sport Cruiser. Got a vendor there selling oil and shirts and whatnot. Let's take a look around. Well, the last thing I want to do is get on this track entrance, that's for sure. That would not be good. Although it'd be funny as hell, that's for sure. It's times like now where I wish I had an adventure bike. Smell those true strokes, baby. I see my friend's truck and trailer right there. Yep, there it is. Let's pull up here and take a look around.
How are you? Good. Digging in my tools, trying to find where's my tool. Okay, do it. Whoa, look at that. Josie, can you shake? Sit. Sit, Josie. Sit. Woohoo! More fun than I deserve. That's so much fun. But the arms wear out after a while. And everything else at my age.
Well, that was a lot of fun. I don't think I could ever do what those guys do, that's for darn sure. 1 billion hours of practice, I don't think I'd be there. Again, I've got that fear gene. Ay caramba. Pray that guy's okay. Well, that was a lot of fun. Murphy's Motocross. Tell you, the weather today is fantastic. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon and it's probably 62, 63 degrees out here. Well, hope you enjoyed a little taste of motocross. It's been a number of years since I've gone and watched some of that stuff. I'm super impressed by those riders, the talent it takes and the speeds they get up to and the air they get going over those jumps. Crazy. Anyhow, hope you liked it. This is Tripp on Two Wheels. Until next time, ride safe and ride often.